Well, that's great to hear. How was your weekend?
My weekend was, it was fine.
And what about the Dragon Boat Festival?
Nothing happened.
Okay. So just the usual ordinary weekend, right?
Yep. Except that,
All right.
Probably some bakeries, they would be selling 粽子.
Okay. I talked to my students about zongzi. I don't know how to say it nice, so this is how I say it. I'm sorry. I've never tried them before. They look very tasty. Both the sweet ones and the, salty ones. And especially the spicy ones with a lot of meat. They look very good.
Well, fun fact, I am okay with eating them. I like to eat mooncakes more.
Yes, remind me, mooncakes, you make them for the Mid-Autumn Festival?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I've never tried them either, so I don't really know, but okay, I'll believe you. I trust you.
Well, you can buy them.
All right.
I think
yes, I know that, but it's not the same.
Stores have them too. There's actually
Yes,
a lot of different types of zones. My favorite is probably those fruit types that are not even they don't even look like zones. They're just okay. My favorite flavor is this one. Okay, so it's light blue. It's a little transparent. That's why I'm using the highlighter.
That's fine.
And there is coconut blocks in there.
There are coconut blocks.
It's much better than. And this is what I made in kindergarten.
Wait. Aww. That's cute. That's really cute. I really like making stuff with paper and origami especially.
Well,
I used to do it a lot when I was younger.
I mean, that's not origami. I think that's a...
I know. I just said... Because it reminds me of the art of bending paper, So I could make... I think a plane, a ship, a heart, a frog, a duck, and that's it.
Okay.
But if you were to ask me right now, I think I forgot those. So, how are you feeling? Are you feeling better?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe. Just maybe you have allergies. Have you thought of that?
No. I only know that I have one allergy with the mosquitoes, but it just makes that bump just bigger and redder. Nothing much. And basically, I'm also allergic to corn dogs for some reason. Once I ate this corn dog, and there were lots of little lumps on my leg. Wait, this part. This part of the leg. There was a lot of them.
The thigh?
Yeah, the thigh.
Oh, well, that's allergy for sure. And it's probably the corn, or something like an ingredient within the corn dog. So it's a good thing. They're not very healthy anyways, so you can just avoid eating them.
Yeah, I never ate corn dogs after that.
And, I mean, you're not really missing out, are you? It's not such a special dish that you should be worried or sad that you're not eating it. All right, let me check my blue light filter for a moment. I apologize. I have something on my screen that I turn on to protect my eyes. It's called night light.
Oh.
And yes, it turns on the whole display seems more yellow, like yellowish. It protects your eyes, especially when it comes to such a long exposure to something called blue lights. And every device that you can look at that has a display, it emits these sorts of lights. They're called blue lights, and they slowly damage your eyes if you look at them for a while, which I do because it's my job. And now we will continue our discussion. What were we talking about? Do you remember?
We were talking about how wise the formal number 3. And this one's the most basic.
Yes, very good. Yes. Exactly. That's exactly what we're talking about. Now, we move on. This says, what is the cautious outlook for earthquake prediction? What does cautious mean?
I think cautious means a very, 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 very cautious.
Yes, but could you try to relate it to any other word? If I'm being cautious, I'm being what?
Careful.
Very good. There you go. What is the cautious outlook for the earthquake prediction? Okay, are you a bit sleepy? Tiny bit sleepy, I know. I feel the same. I'm just drinking my coffee over here. We have the paragraph H here. Let's read it.
Okay, although there's still a long way to go, it appears from the research being done all over the world that earthquakes are not entirely random. If this is so, in the future we may be able to track the Earth's movements and designs early warning systems that allow us to predict this being really sticky. That's too sticky. Oh yeah, this one.
Okay, any questions?
That allow us to predict when a quake will happen, and in doing so, prevent the loss of life.
Okay, do you understand this paragraph?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, very well. Although there is still a long way to go, this means what?
This means that there's still a lot of things for scientists to know.
Very good. But it appears from the research being done all over the world that What appears from the research?
And all over the world that earthquakes are not entirely random. They have a sequence.
Very good. And if we one day become able to track the Earth's movements, do you think that we will be able to design early warning systems?
Maybe, or maybe not, if we are too lazy.
That's true, and we tend to be a lot lazy, especially lately. Prevent the loss of life. How would you explain this? What does this mean?
This was preventing you from dying.
Exactly. So maybe these early warning systems will allow us to predict the quake, and potentially we could save some people. Is that what this means?
Yep.
Okay, so this is a good thing then.
Okay.
We have a passive participle here. I just want to mention it. Research being done. You'll notice in this phrase here, research which is being done. It is a little different. What's different?
There's a witches.
Very good. And if we take this which is out of this, we get something, we make a sentence more formal.
Okay.
We could maybe do this. I think we could. Take an example here. The exact example, we'll take it. Research which is being done. Now, if you take a look at the sentence, it appears from the research being done. It appears from the research which is being done. Sounds longer without any possible necessity, right? It doesn't need to be longer. Take a look at this cool picture here. What do you see, especially in this part?
I see a chip.
Okay, and the chip is connected to what?
The chip is connected to a bunch of programs.
Okay, but beforehand,
the waves, something about batteries, the sounds, the detection or something, some siren, the iPad, the computer with a brain in it, the different sound waves. A bunch of cracks on a random place, which is supposed to be the floor. More chips, a Xbox looking thing.
It's just the computer where the motherboard is. Very good. Basically, this picture tells us everything that this text does. The Earth, scientists are connected to the Earth, and that as the outcome we have early detection or early warning systems, which is great for us, I guess.
Or early iPads.
Oh, could be. Okay, so the author of this had an intention. The author says earthquakes are not entirely random, not predictable. Why this careful choice? What do you think? What would change if the author had written earthquakes are predictable?
That means it's 100%. Not entirely means it's not very random, but still random.
Very good, Ivanka. Can you write or just tell me one-sentence summary of the author's final position using although it appears that.
Although it appears that earthquakes are random, they are actually not entirely random, so we can prevent the loss of life.
I love your tone when you speak like this. It sounds very, how would I say that, profound.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Okay, moving on now. How does a scientist organize a complex argument? So imagine you're a wise scientist, and you're like, okay, I have so many arguments. I'm so smart. I need to put this in some sort of a organization. Like, I need to organize my thoughts. I need to make an order of this, right? Because imagine if you had just plenty of thoughts and all of them were wise, but you couldn't just put them in the right places, it would sound like a bunch of nonsense, wouldn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. To solve paragraph puzzles, you must see the wave of the story. It moves from hope, failure. So from hope we go down, failure, breakthrough, caution.
Okay.
Hope, failure, breakthrough, caution. Like a heartbeat.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. Okay. It looks like the root of something, right?
Yeah.
I think this is the root and this is the heartbeat, if I'm not mistaken.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, wait. Let me see if I can make this. Wait.
Flatlining, not a good thing, but very, very nicely put and very descriptive. Okay, let's try to do this. We have 3 sort of stages or phases here. We have, what is the first one here?
The first one is the setup. The second one is the turning point. The third one is the result.
Okay, I know you know this, and it's all laid out here on the page. Okay, we all know how to read. But look at the map here. Which stage would be missing if paragraph G appeared right after paragraph E?
Oh.
What would the reader feel if the failure stage was removed? We talked a little bit about this, if you remember.
They would think that this story is so boring. I'm going to give it 0 stars.
Yes. Why would they think that?
Breakthrough, and they found field work during 3 kilometers in California.
Yes, but what if they had something happen here? They were drilling 3 kilometers in California, and after that they had a breakthrough. And then they found, and after that they failed.
Well, then it just doesn't make sense.
But exactly, it does not make any sense. And I think, this is my opinion, I think that we, as readers, would feel more disappointed because it sounds tragic. Tell me, in one sentence or in very short answer, explain why this paragraph must be here. Why must this paragraph go before paragraph H?
I think this must
Paragraph G,
go
pardon.
before paragraph G, since you really, I know I'm kind of being really, well, careful if you put this after the breakthrough, since usually it sounds a little dramatic. For example, it sounds bad. It sounds not just as good. Here's why. So if you said the baby elephant has been saved, and then you say that that's a very funny elephant. Okay, and then you say,
very cute elephant.
But the elephant, oh no! Bad news, the elephant fell into the lake. Again. Oh wait, no. Bad news, the elephant has fallen into the lake before anyone could save it. Well, then first of all, it's not going to sound right before they saved it. However, they already saved the elephant. What the heck is going on if you say before? Secondly, it's not really, I mean, you're just gonna make the readers sad. They were happy, then they're sad, which is not
very good.
Very good. It's not right. Oh, wait. By the way, I want to show you something.
Okay.
Oh. Well, it's not here yet. Maybe later.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Anyways, what I mean is...
Good explanation.
If you made the elephant happy, but then the elephant was gone again, it just feels like nothing happened.
Exactly. We feel nothing. We don't feel any excitement. We don't feel good after feeling bad. We just feel bad. And no author wants that. None of them.
Whoa, cool.
Yes.
Whoa.
Okay, let's see what happens when an experiment doesn't go as planned. Usually, when scientists experiment on something, they must be very careful. Because if something doesn't go as planned, what can happen?
Well, I mean, if nothing goes as planned, then they shouldn't even do this. They shouldn't even write this. They shouldn't even write this text.
Okay, for starters, that. But if you have some previous knowledge and you want to write about something and you want to discover more, and you start writing about it and discovering, and you just make a mistake after a mistake, would you give up?
I wouldn't give up. I'll just rewrite it if there's a chance, of course.
Okay, so you would try again and again.
Well, I technically might think about writing something else a few days later, or just keep writing a few days later if whoever thinks they're so genius has an idea that I should not be given a second chance. Then I probably wait until they forgot that I wrote this
Yes.
and then this essay and then come back sometime soon and then rewrite it again. Either way, I have to rewrite it.
Okay. Yes. Okay. That's exactly what I wanted you to say. Good job. Let's continue from this page after a short break, okay?
Okay.
See you soon.
See you soon.